Greetings, welcome to my channel, View from my desktop. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a Class D amplifier. Another unknown brand to me, called the KIMIUP AC01 Class D amplifier. So we'll open this up. See what we got in here. Practice time. Worn. Supposed to be new. Anyway, here's the comes with a manual. Small manual. Okay. Has a remote. Pretty typical style looking remote. Look like take AAA batteries. Bluetooth antenna. Adapter cord. Okay. Looks like it comes with a 24-volt adapter. I think it can handle more than that. Look inside here. What it says in the unit. Really basic looking unit. Okay. Look, a push on and off. Tone controls. No setting. They don't set, they just keep turning. Like a USB here. Auxiliary in, auxiliary out, RCA, small binding posts. Okay, power says 12 to 24 volts capacity. I guess we'll just try it out and see how it sounds. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.